Hello student, today I will start next chapter of class 9th maths, that is coordinate geometry. We have already studied in previous classes coordinate geometry, that is first point of coordinate geometry. First you know what is quadrant. A plane divided in four equal parts by one horizontal line and one vertical line, then each part of the plane is called quadrant. The horizontal line is called x-axis and a vertical line is called y-axis, and point of intersection, that is this, is called origin. That is a plane divided in four equal parts, that is first part, second part, third part and fourth part, by one horizontal lines and one vertical lines is called quadrant. That is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. A point of intersection is called origin. Horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis. Right side of horizontal line is called positive direction of x-axis. Left side of origin of x-axis is called negative direction of x-axis. Above the line, that is vertical line, this is called positive direction of y-axis, and downward it is called negative direction of y-axis. Here is write plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 and so on. Here is write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. Above the line plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and so on. And below the line minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 4 and so on. In next class is also horizontal line or x-axis is also called real lines. It is also called real lines, and y-axis is also called imaginary line. So a first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Next, discussion of sign of quadrant. What is the sign of first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant? Since first quadrant bounded by positive direction of the x and y axis, so sign of first quadrant is equal to plus plus. Since second quadrant bounded by negative direction of x-axis and positive direction of y-axis, so sign of second quadrant is equal to minus plus. Third quadrant bounded by negative direction of x-axis and negative direction of y-axis, so sign of third quadrant is equal to minus minus. Fourth quadrant bounded by positive direction of x-axis and negative direction of y-axis, so sign of first quadrant this plus and minus. First point represent x-axis, second point represent y-axis. So it is also written on the form plus x plus y, minus x plus y, minus x minus y and plus x minus y. The second point, abscissa and ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate, coordinate of x-axis, that is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 or minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 is called coordinate of x-axis is called abscissa, and coordinate of y-axis, that is plus 1, plus 2, minus 3, plus 4 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 4 is called ordinate. That is coordinate of y-axis is called abscissa, is called abscissa, is called ordinate, is called ordinate, and coordinate of x-axis is called abscissa. Next, representation of point in quadrants. Suppose you want to represent point P43 in quadrant. So first we decide the given point lie in which quadrant, that is first, second, third and fourth. Since sign of both abscissa and ordinate are positive, so point P lie in first quadrant. So representation of point P, use the rule, that is 4 unit distance take on x-axis and 3 unit distance taken I-axis and draw a line through the point 4 parallel to Y-axis and draw a line through the point 3 parallel to X-axis which intersect each other at point P. Point P represent the representation of point 4 and 3. Next, position of point in quadrant. How can define the position of point in quadrant? So we check the point lie in which quadrant. Suppose we want to find the position of point. So we can tell you that is position of point P. So first you find the point lie in which quadrant. Next we represent the point in quadrant. This representation and position of point represent the position of point in quadrant. Fifth, distance of a point from x-axis and y-axis. Distance of a point P from x-axis is 3 unit distance and distance of point P from y-axis is 4 unit distance. That is, distance of point P from x-axis is 3 and distance of point P from y-axis is 4. That is, in first case answer is second and second case answer is first. So it is the representation of coordinate in geometry. That is how we can define the location, representation, sign, distance of a point in coordinate geometry according to quadrant या according to coordinate axis.